In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change task order and modify links in Microsoft Project. First, let's make sure we're looking at your plan in a way that makes moving and linking tasks straightforward. Open a task-based view, such as the Gantt chart. This view shows your task list on the left and a timeline on the right with bars that represent each task's duration, which makes it much easier to see the impact of any changes you make. To reorder a task, look to the far left of the task row for the row selector, which is the gray area showing the task's ID number. Click that row selector to select the entire task. With the task selected, click and hold, then drag the task up or down to the new position in your list. Release the mouse when you see the insertion line where you want the task to land. This changes the display order of tasks in your plan. It doesn't change their durations or dependencies. It's a great way to group related work together so your schedule is easier to read. If you're using summary tasks, keep an eye on where you drop the task so it lands in the right section under the correct summary. After you move it, Microsoft Project will automatically update the task IDs to reflect the new order. Now, let's create a logical connection between tasks so your schedule drives itself. Go to View, then choose Gantt chart if you aren't already there. Hold the Control key on your keyboard and click to select two tasks in order: the predecessor first, then the successor. The predecessor is the task that needs to happen before the next one. The successor is the task that follows. With both tasks selected, go to the Task tab on the ribbon and click Link Tasks. Look for the link chain icon. When you click it, Project creates a Finish to Start link by default. That means the successor cannot start until the predecessor finishes. You'll see a small arrow connecting the two tasks in the Gantt chart, and the predecessors and successors fields will reflect the relationship. This simple link helps your schedule automatically adjust when dates shift, keeping your plan realistic and connected. Remember, changing the order of tasks is about organizing your list, while linking tasks defines how work actually flows. By combining both, dragging tasks into a logical sequence and linking them correctly, you'll build a schedule that's clear to read and resilient when things change.